So can you not use them anymore now? Hey, throw it away.
Oh.
Damn it, hurt. I did see, like he was running beside him. There's an area. Remember how in Far Cry 5 there's like that house you can go to with all these guys? There's an area in the map where they all hang out when you're not using them.
Here he is. I hit the top of his head.
36. I'll switch to the shotgun. He is after you.
Yep.
Actually, I feel like I'm doing work here. Oh, shit. Like he wasn't on me, and then he was. There you go. It looked like there was a arrow sticking out of his ass before I grabbed it.
Still is.
Oh, I grabbed... Yeah, I grabbed it on my screen, so it's not there anymore. You're probably full on arrows, and so I'll let you. Nice, alright. First legendary animal. So that's what, 3 or 4 for you now?
3. Done buffalo, cougar.
Buffalo, cougar, and then boar. Mark said he got the boar already. He said he just stumbled across them.
Second time I've gotten the boar now.
Oh, really? You can get it multiple times? That's nice.
Uh-huh.
I was thinking it was more like Red Dead when after you get the animal, they're, done.
I knew you can get it more than once because I did it before I unlocked them on the map. I've gotten 2 buffaloes already.
Nice. I'm gonna reload. This takes a while to reload. We got a couple enemy trucks here. Are we close enough where we don't need to run? Otherwise we can run and take the truck. Oh, it's right up here, it looks like.
Yeah. And we can take truck. I bought a motorcycle, by the way.
Nice. Does it have the sidecar?
Here, we'll go grab it. No. It's a no. It's not a sidecar, though.
Perfect landing. I'm gonna refill ammo real quick. Oh, I guess I might as well sell. Trade loot. Oh, nice. You got that one. I like it.
Get him.
Just cracks me up when they go flying.
They're never gonna leave us alone now.
For a buffalo.
Is there something like tracks or something you have to look for, or just you'll see a buffalo?
No, you just stumble upon them.
Okay. But he's up in this area?
Yep.
Well, they're shooting at a boar.
You're a cougar.
Yeah, there it is.
Oh, there it is, Tommy. Here's a. Saw something running. I don't know.
I think I shot it multiple times, and you shot it once and killed it. At least I helped. A little bit of points I shot at it.
Oh, there's a dog coming at you.
Yep.
Here you go. Is he in there?
Yeah. It's a wolf.
Man. Still a dog.
Well, yeah, I thought it looked different. Like, I thought maybe it was like a... It kind of reminded me more of a fox when I first seen it. Which I guess technically a wolf or a fox is a wild dog. Like, by definition.
Yeah. Foxes?
Isn't it a dog? They act like a cat, but I think they're a dog.
Foxes? I think it's a fox.
I hear something.
I'd say a coyote and a wolf is more dog. You just gotta roam around and find it.
Is that you firing, or is that them?
I am not firing.
Okay. Yeah, I see you. You're not even where the firing is coming from. That doesn't help me out at all. Reload while you can.
All of us are gonna come across to here, ain't we?
I don't know how far. I'm a ways further from down from you.
Somebody to take out. Oh, I got hit, but I killed him.
You got hit by what?
Fuck. Standing in front of it, shooting at the dude to kill him. Killed him, but it still keeps moving.
Hey, I found the buffalo.
Come get me!
Oh, you're down? I thought you were just... I'm bringing it to you!
I told you I was.
Well, that's what I was doing. I was running towards you, and then all of a sudden I heard it snarl at me. Get ready to run. Well, now I don't hear it as much. Yep. Are you up now? It's right here in front of me.
I'm coming.
Okay. And I'm down. Oh,
you
shit.
got...
And I'm... Yep. It hit me twice. Run! Oh fuck! It hit me. What the hell? I couldn't even move, man. You like got me up, and it hit me as it was like running by, and then it hit me again. All right. Who's this other person? Is that an enemy on the left here? Or to my right? Your left? Or is that like the tracker person?
Where did I just killed him right over here. Where'd he go? There
It's right
he
here.
is. Right here.
Here's where it's at on my screen. Is this where it's at on your screen? Is that...
Yeah, I got it.
Okay. So what are we doing next?
You and Rush are a godsend.
We can do
I'm hearing
Cougar.
that the Eveners have taken an interest in you.
there.
Because I've done the boar and buffalo with you now.
Yep. We can do the cougar and that's it.
Why is that?
I went because I went up to the here the bear.
Yeah.
And, it's in like a white smoke, and when I went into it, I died.
Oh, it's probably just maybe they have to clear something before you can get there. Oh,
Come on,
wrong button.
there's helicopter. Oh, there it is. It's right in front of my face. Not there. Alright. Yeah, you need to move. Alright.
Son of a bitch! I went like all the way down.
Did
I was even trying to... There we go. Get in. There we go. I'm in. Mark was asking me why I made that video of the helicopter. I was explaining that it was still hovering even though you were no longer in it. I had someone jump on and watch for a little bit, but we must not have been interesting enough. Is there anything here?
Oh.
Is this the cougar spot? Is that what probably tore up those
Yeah.
tents? Alright, I'll let you know when I
So run around a little bit.
attacked by it. At least I'm
Yeah.
finding. I'm just collecting plants as I look for them.
Supply drop on me. And the cougars over here.
Okay.
It's attacking somebody. Oh, it's not the cougar. Is it?
It's just a cougar. Oh, there we go. That makes sense.
Come to me. Did you hit the crate?
I just got kicked.
Did you?
Yeah, kind of like you did yesterday. I'm guessing. Well, it was weird because like I could not find you. I was like, where did his emblem go? Like I was looking around and I couldn't find where your emblem was. Then all of a sudden, like I felt like it was about to happen because I couldn't find you. Then all of a sudden it said I was kicked. I'll see if I can. So it wasn't.
I can't send an invite, so.
Okay.
Once you keep your sense dealing with.
Let's go into yours and send me an invite.
Okay. Well, at least we got a couple kills, right?
Camp.
Yeah. I did this earlier. I'll see if I can do it while I'm streaming. Almost them.
Some improvement coming along.
That's your problem. You're streaming.
Probably. The other ones took off.
We got by. Ready to repress the hell out of those recent battle memories, huh?
Get him! I just killed all the chickens by kicking them. Like you can't actually kick them. I'll show you what I was doing.
I can't kick.
So I was doing this. Where'd you go?
Man, what I wouldn't do for a night.
I'd run and I'd just slide like that. But when you slide like that, you kick them in the air and then they die. Which that would suck if that actually was like hurting my prosperity.
Yep, really bad.
Alright.
Alright, what we gonna do, dude?
Well, we go to map. I got this treasure hunt we could do. That's not too far away.
Do whatever you want.
We could try to take that one. You know what we need to do is find people. Let's do this one and then we'll just go. Do you want to run there or do you want to take the helicopter?
We're not gonna run there.
Alright, I will
Take a helicopter or spawn at that place next to it.
Go ahead and take the helicopter since you're there. We'll go flying.
Twin sure sent us a message. Jesus.
Gotta remember how to fly this thing.
I waited for the guns to start shooting.
And look at that. I've never seen me do that on GTA. Oh, I remember this place. This is how I went to Mars.
It's like they're having parties.
Was that just like a random person? Not paying attention to us?
Want me to let you figure it out?
No.
What?
Not what I want to do. No, go ahead and just go there. Or tell me to go there. Where'd it go? I threw down my... Dug on it. Picked up this guy's sniper rifle, but I threw down my... slingshot. You have to shoot something from this thing? No, I'm not worried about figuring it out. I just want to get the gold.
Did you grab the paper?
Yeah. I think so. Like the note. I'll double check. Oh no, this is just a highwayman note. Am I overlooking something? Isn't there usually, unless I already grabbed it, isn't there usually like a diamond above the note?
Well, it was right here.
Oh, then I must have grabbed it because I've looked at that note 2 or 3 times.
Alright, well then activate the... on your journal.
Oh. I have to activate it?
Wire. Well, if you held the select button after you picked it up, it would make it so it tells you what to do.
Gotcha. There we go. Oh, that's just a random person walking. Inside search zone. Find a way in the bunker. You can't rush it.
You heard in there? Want me to just do it?
Yeah, just do it.
Alright. Go in the front door.
Go to the front door?
Go in the front door. Did you not try it?
Yeah, it told me it was locked from the inside. Unless that was before I,
Oh, you had to go on the roof, the barred area. You had to shoot a lock.
Oh, okay.
The door from...
Well, that's what I was thinking it might have been. Titanium, I needed that. Would you go to the computer and shut it off? Oh no, that switch right there. He was coming too, I could hear him. Oh, duct tape. Park points. Oh.
And duct tape. Comes in anyway. Holy
Nah.
shit.
I'm being sarcastic, but yeah, I agree.
What? Here. Gonna say I can tie it back up and you can die.
Testing. Testing. Wow, I can't believe Larry's stuff still works. I mean, obviously it would. He knew what he was doing. I remember him stockpiling all this stuff saying he'd need it for a trip to Mars. Oh, Larry. Wonder what happened to your crazy ass.
He went to Mars. We helped him.
Alright, let's go do this. Grace Armstrong.
Okay.
Yeah, on this thing right here.
This is Grace Armstrong.
You're lagging so bad.
Am I? Alright, well, I'll just end the stream here. It's 26 minutes. We found the thing. We killed a couple legendary animals. That's good enough for now.